Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download Royal Match application on your mobile device. If you want to get the Royal Match game downloaded on your mobile, then it's pretty simple. Open up your App Store or your Play Store and then search for Royal Match in the search box. Once you find the application displayed in the search result, tap the download button to begin the download process. Once the application starts downloading, wait until it completes. Now wait for the Royal Match game to download. Game is a term on your device. Royal Match is a puzzle game where you can swipe colors, solve match 3 puzzles, and help King Robert decorate his castle. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you'll be able to see the open button. Tap on it to launch open the game. And that is how you should be able to download Royal Match on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.